Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So I'm going to hop on real quick and share with you a haul that I recently got. It came in this package from my little scrapbook store, and they are based out of New Jersey. And I'm going to wind up moving this package to the side and then just take things out one at a time and go through everything. Sorry, trying to get everything set up and kind of moved and ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this card kit. It's from My Mind's Eye. I actually got that with my mom in mind because she's starting to get back into paper crafting, and I thought it would be a great way to get her started. I was just looking at my little invoice, and then this is talking about different sales they had coming up. And what I really like about it is they always, Michelle, who's the owner, she always puts in a couple of freebies. Um, I don't know if you get something like a small amount, if you still get a little freebie or something, but there's usually something in there that just as a way of saying thank you. And I think that's really like nice of her because she doesn't have to do that. And look at that. That's a vellum paper with rose gold on it, rose gold stars, really pretty. Now, this particular package has some random things that I got. I love these little enamel dots. They're kind of matte finished. And then I got the stencil because I hoard stencils. These stickers are like a matte. And then, of course, all these are birthday themed. This is for the lovely notes. And they're acrylic. Yeah. Acetate. That's the word. Acetate pieces which go with the collection. So as soon as I saw it in the sale, I was like, I gotta have it. And then I thought these were really pretty, the butterflies. And on a collection I got, she gave us one, so I just got one extra one. So that way I would have two. And then this one is from Heidi Swap, and it's rose gold on vellum, and it's so pretty. I don't even know what I'm going to use that for, but I just think it's gorgeous. So the first scrappy bag I got is this Christmas one from Kaiser Craft, and it has the oh my god, I just totally lost what they call them. The buttons, the ephemera pack, and you get some extra sheets. You get two of each, but it's really pretty. It has some of your typical red and green with the hints of pink. I want to say it's like a candy cane Christmas or something like that. Now, this pack was like a mega pack, and I think there was only one, but it's My Mind's Eye and it's My Heritage. And there's just something about the color scheme of it that I really, really enjoy. I don't even think I have like photos that would necessarily work with this collection, but I have an idea for like it would make a really great memory book or like a scrapbook, homemade scrapbook, or even like I doing a sketch series with my cards. Like in the month of March, this would be a fun one to use. Heritage or February, like somewhere in there where you're pink overload and you just want to take a break. That's what I would like about this set. And I like the greens. It's just nice. It's a really nice color palette. But you get all of this in the scrappy bag. And that's what Michelle does. She'll create these scrappy bags of collections so you can get sometimes different elements, from that whole collection all together in one, which is a nice deal. Because sometimes you want everything that coordinates, and then I got plenty of stuff in my stash I can implement in with it. So every once in a while, I just like having the complete collection. Now, this one is all winter based from Photo Play. I love the blues, that design there. Oh my god, it's just pretty. Snowflakes, snowmen. It doesn't have to be Christmas. It's still going to be winter even after December. So there's still, opportunity and chances to use it. So you get that and the ephemera. Now this one is a random piece. I found it in my bag after I was partly through, but this is A6 size watercolor paper from Nuvo and Ortonic Studios. And it has an interesting texture. It's hard to really explain what the texture is. I am going to grab a couple of my real brush markers and just play with it a little bit and get it kind of moving and do like a tester. And I would suggest doing that with new watercolor paper or any media that you're using. It doesn't hurt to test it out first. And, I try to wet it up, and then instead of using the markers again, I'm going to grab my Distress Oxide that was on my desk and like kind of put water or ink into the wet area and see how it moves. And it does. It moves really well. I really like how, it flows on the paper itself, but it's just that texture that might be a little hard to get past. I don't know. We'll see. We'll keep playing with those. And I'll move this stuff out the way. All right. So now this one, this I want to say was... Is it Kaisercraft? Yes, it's Kaisercraft as well. They're called Curios. That's what they're called, the buttons. These things right there, I love them. And this dark navy with the gold, stunning, okay? Look, you can fussy cut those out. You got this beautiful stripe. And each sheet, one side has gold foil and the other side doesn't. I like how that could be cut out and be like a strip on a project. I mean, it's really pretty paper. And even if I hoard this and not use it, I mean, it's just so pretty. I just can't wait to get into it though, actually, because I just think it'll make for really pretty cards next year. And so this year I'm working on 25 cards, 25 sketches for the month of December, and these will make for really pretty cards for next year. So I'm gonna definitely kind of keep these and keep it in mind for the next series that I do. Now this one, more of those curio buttons. We get the ephemera, and then you get the 12 by 12 collection, which comes with a sticker page. And I think with theirs you get 12 sheets because you get two patterns. Yeah, 2 pages of each pattern. Wow, that was hard. And then with her scrappy bags, like I said, you get the extra sheets. And then this is where she had the extra butterflies, which actually go really well. And the pink ones, you could use those too for a hint of, color or, a little pop. So that was my recent purchase from my little scrapbook store. And then I forgot one thing. My bestie, Beatrice, sent me this Julie Nutting paper collection. I thought it was so pretty. With the 6x6, it's 24 sheets. So you get 2 of each design. And then you have 2 sticker sheets. One with the alpha and some other strips, and then you have the 12 by 12 paper pad too. So I'm thankful. Thank you, Beatrice. Oh, she also sent me the ribbon from Kiwi Lane that was in the package as well for Breast Cancer Month. So I'm really excited about all the goodies. Of course, there's never enough time in the day to get to play, especially when you have to work as well. But anything that I don't use right now, don't worry, I will definitely be using in the year to come. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Also click the bell so that way whenever I upload a video, you can get a notification. And I think this is going up on Saturday, so I hope you guys have a great weekend. Don't work too hard.